In this video, we are going to see that if your start menu is completely not working, not opening, or even not searching for a particular application, if you want to search for any, you just write here, but it doesn't show anything. Here's a quick solution for you, and not only one solution. I'll show you a couple of solutions and one of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first method is very effective. What you can do is just hold the Control, Alternate and Delete key and click on the Task Manager. And once you get here in the processes, just search for Windows Explorer. Here it is, and just right click and click on Restart. So let's just right click on this and click on Restart. And after that, just wait for a couple of seconds and this might work for you. If it works, then great. Otherwise, what you can do is just go to the Task Manager again by pressing Control, Alternate and Delete, and just click on the Task Manager. And this time what we'll do is we will go to the services. Let's go to the services and just hit W on the keyboard, and it will show you the option of W search right near the end. Just right click on this and click on Open Services. Once it opens the services, again you will just hit W on the keyboard and just search for Windows Search. Here it is. Just scroll down all the way to the middle section. Just double click on it, and the startup type should be automatic, and just hit stop for once and then start again. What this will do is this will refresh it completely and it should work. Click on Apply, OK, and just try accessing the menu and different items. Let's say I want to search for Edge. So it should show immediately. If it is not working, we can try this third method. And just keep in mind, guys, after every activity, you might need to restart your PC to make this effective. What else we can do in method 4 is just go to settings. Just write settings in the search, even though if it doesn't show any result, doesn't matter, hit enter. And then click on personalization. On the right hand side, we have the start area. Just click on that and just turn off these two options, show recently added apps. So that might be causing problem and they are causing delay basically. So just uncheck that and just uncheck this as well. Show recommended files in the start recent files explorer jump list. Just uncheck that as well. So if you close that, it will definitely work faster for you. As you can see here, my problem is almost resolved. It easily works for me every single time. So these are some of the solutions for you, and one of them might definitely work for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.